Welcome back to equivalent fractions, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at an equivalent fraction train. Now you can see that we've got the bottom denominators 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. We have the first three numerators of 2, 4 and 6. But now we have to work out what goes on the top of 12, what goes on the top of 15, and what goes on the top of 18. Now we need to remember that we always have to refer back to the very first fraction, which in this case is highlighted as 2/3. Now the first two give us a clue. Remember that we said whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. Right, so 2/3, we look at the bottom, it's 3. What did we do to the 3 to get to 6? We multiplied it by 2. So whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top, and we can see that that is the case because 2 times 2 is 4. And the next one, what did we do to the 9 to get to 3? We timesed it by 3. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Let's do a little bunny hop. So that also needs to be timesed by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now each time we always do the bunny hop from the original one, because now we're coming to the one where we need to find out what the missing numerator is. What do we do to the 3 to get 12? We timesed it by 4. So let's do a big bunny hop there. And whatever we did to the bottom, we're going to do to the top. So we're going to times the 2 by 4, which is going to be 8. Now for the last two, we're not even going to do the bunny hops because we're just going to work it out in our heads. What do we multiply 3 by to get 15? Yes, 5. So if we've gone 3 times 5 is 15, then we've got to do the top. 2 times 5 is 10. You're so clever. You're getting this. And I think you know how to do the last one. What do we multiply 3 by to get 18? The answer is 6. So we'd go 2 times 6, which is 12. The golden rule in this is to always go back to the first fraction and say, how many times do I have to multiply that denominator to get to that denominator? And then whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. I think this is very easy and you're going to know exactly what to do. Let's go and try some in our books.